Today marks the beginning of Samsung's new era. We now understand why the Galaxy S24 series will be one of Samsung's most crucial flagships of all time. After extensive research and development, Samsung has now introduced what could be the Galaxy S24 series' most compelling selling point, Samsung Galaxy. This is Samsung's in-house generative AI model. This is far more potent than I had anticipated. Thanks to Samsung Galaxy, your Galaxy S24 will transform into your AI chat friend, handling all your troubles and problems with a full global knowledge of pretty much anything you can think of. The S24 is also a code model, which makes it a coding beast. The pictured model is possibly my favorite. With the help of strong AI, Samsung Gals will allow you to create or alter photographs. To summarize, it is a language model, a code model, and an image model, making it maybe the most powerful AI tool on a smartphone. And it will be available on the Galaxy S24 series, yes, all versions. If you're wondering why it's called Gauss, it's because the AI model was named after the famous mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss. They could have selected a more pronounceable name, but given the powers of this AI model, I can see why they chose this one. This AI model will now make use of the Snapdragon Agent 3/Exynos 2400's AI capabilities. These two chips have extremely powerful NPUs. As excited as I am about the hardware modifications, this has to be one of the most exciting elements of the entire S24 family, making the 2024 flagships even more so. In case you missed the previous video, it is widely speculated that Samsung will formally unveil the S24 series on January 11th in the United States. This date has been cited by multiple South Korean media outlets, so this could be the official unveiling of Samsung's next big thing. If you're utilizing the S22 Ultra or S21 Ultra and are looking forward to the S24 range, you might not have to wait long. Now, there may be some other fascinating things during the Unpacked event, such as a newer version of their Galaxy Buds Pro. Again, we haven't heard anything about the leaks yet, so make sure you subscribe to get all the latest information. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think about the future era of AI. It's about to become a very, very close part of our lives. Samsung Gals is coming with the S24 series. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.